Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add GIF on Behance. First, log into your account. Once inside, click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Now here, go to one of your projects if you have one published or go to your drafts. Now, select on Edit Project on one of your drafts. Now, that will bring you to your project editor. To add a GIF, for example here, I want to add this one. So now, on your editor, under the Add Content option, go ahead and select Image. After that, select the GIF that you want to upload and just wait for it to be uploaded. And as you can see, it is now added to your Behance project. You can go and make it a full width if you want. You can also go and click on this pencil icon so that you can add a caption for that GIF. Or you can delete it if you like to. Now, you can just go and add another one if you want. But that's just basically it. That's how you add GIF on your Behance project. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.